Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Janish Chandra Notia. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it. Then you got lot of video to learn how to solve mathematical problem in easy way. Today's topic is multiplication in fast speed, part 2. Yesterday we learned the multiplication in partition system. Multiplication in partition system means yesterday we learned that if you are multiply 105 multiply 105, then we divide number in two parts and we multiply last same number to each other. 5 5 the 25, and first part same number multiplied to the next number. 10 11 the 110. Again I am repeating, we divide any number in two parts. First part multiply by the next number, and second part both of multiply by each other. Let's again I give a example for repetition of yesterday. If we multiply 92 multiply 98, again always in this system we divide the number into parts. 9 2 9 8. In dividing we follow the rules because first part are always same in this system. First part is always same, and second part sum is a place value. Place value, you know that place value is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Similarly, in each time in this multiplication, we can solve if first part are same and other parts sum is a place value. Then we can solve it easily. Yesterday we learned this method. 8 to the 16 and 9 10 the 9. But today we learn a different type of number which are not first part are same and not the second part sum is a place value. If any other one thinks, because here both are compulsory, then we can use another pattern system. Here if we are multiplying any numbers where one number is anything 2 5 4, but second number is made by only 9 digits, then we can apply this rules. Here multiply by 9999. Then every time we write the previous number. Last time we are multiplied by the next number, but here we write previous number. Here number is 254, then we write previous number of 254 is 250, and write 253, and then write the number which are only made for 9 digits as it is 9999, and subtract the previous number. Subtract the previous number minus 253. Then answer is 6 4 7 9 3 5 2. It is our solution. We multiply easily. Again, if you want to multiply 153 multiply 99, it is also similar. In this, every time first number is anything, it have no rules. What is the condition, what is the necessary, nothing. But second number must be made by only 9 digits. If it is made by any other digit, then we cannot multiply by this method. So we multiply here 152 99 minus 152 then answer will be 74151. Then answer will be this. If we multiply in old method, then it will be take lot of time. But here we can solve in 10 to 15 seconds. In each time, you know that we write the previous number of first number, yeah, and other than which number are not made by 999, 9 digit, and return the number which made by 9 is as it is. We do not change any change in number which made by only 9 digit. So it is the answer. In this number also 153, previous number is 52. Then we multiply it 999. Again write this number as it is. Then we write previous number, subtract, then we get this answer. In always, we can multiply the any number which made by 999 digit. Then we take another number is 99 multiply 9999. Here we can take any numbers because both our number are made by 9. Then it is our choice. Nothing of compulsory rules. Because here both numbers are made by 9 digits. So write 98 and as it is 9999 and subtract 90. Then answer will be 109989. It is our solution. In this method, we always write as it is of number which made by only 9 digits and write the previous number of others. First time as it is and write the number which made by 9 digits and subtract the previous number. Then we got the answer of multiplication. It is the easily we can solve any number of multiplication which are made by 999. Okay, let me start to solve any the number. Here we write 999 multiply 343. Here you think here number 999 digit before come, then nothing is different. Solution is fixed. What is solution is fixed. Always write the previous number of which are not made by 999. It never matter that number is coming before and after. So write 342 and write number which made by 999 digit as it is 999. So they subtract 342 342 previous number, then we got answer 75623. It is our solution. We see that if number of which made by 999 digit come before and after, it does not matter because solution in multiplication are commutative. So we write the 9 digit number as it is always and other number previous number first time as it is previous number in before and then subtract that previous number. Then we got the answer of multiplication. In this way, we multiply the lot of numbers which made by 9 digits. But it is remember that one number is made only for 9 digits. If that number is not made for 9 digits, then this method does not work. Just like previous method. Yesterday we learned that in the numbers which divide in two parts, first part are same and sum of different part is placed them. Today we learned that one number is made by 9 digits. So we multiply it similarly, but sometimes 2, 3, 6 multiply 99900. Some student thinks we cannot multiply this because its number is does not made by 9 digits. We can solve it because in starting 9 digits are continue, in end of the zeros does not matter in multiplication. Write that zeros as it is. Because here 0 are come in the last, not middle. If zeros are come in middle of 9 digits, then it is not use the method. So write previous number 2, 3, 5. But in this calculation, we can use only 9 digit number. In answer, they write 0 as it is. Do not use in calculation. Do not use in calculation. Right? 999 subtract 2, 3, 5. Then we got answer 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 2 and 0 are as it is. It is our solution. Again, I am repeating that. First, if a number, write the previous number, and if a number which not made by only 9 digits, it will be joined some zeros, then zeros are come in answer as it is. We calculate only the number which made by 9 digits. In this way, we can calculate this multiplication easily. Sometimes our 9 digit number is small, just like 546 multiply 9. But it does not matter. Write always previous number of which number not made by 9 digits. So write 54599 and subtract 545. Then we got answer 45054. It is the our answer. Here always all number which made by 9 digit number can be multiplied by any other number. So in this method always we use in short trick method. We write always 9 digit number as it is. Write the previous number of others in before the 9 digit number and subtract that also. Here we write 343, previous number is 342 and 9 digit is as it is. Thank you for watching this video and wait for next video.